is waiting for our train on the Romney, Hythe and Dymchurch Railway heading towards Dungeness.
You okay?
We have to show my feet, look. I've got no space. No space.
I think it's about 25 minutes.
Never before had 20 miles an hour felt so fast than when sitting in one of the miniature train carriages on the Romney, Hythe and Dymchurch Railway, travelling between New Romney and Dungeness at the southern tip of Kent. After running behind what felt like countless back gardens, finally the view gave way to the Romney Marsh, and beyond it, the shingle which marks the end of the Dungeness Peninsula, and with it the station adjacent to Dungeness Power Station. Once at Dungeness, there was an opportunity to view close up the tiny locomotive at the head of our train. Before we boarded it once more for the return journey to New Romney. After leaving Dungeness, the train completes a circuit of the loop on which the station sits, before rejoining the main line back to New Romney, and beyond it, Dymchurch and Hythe.